Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
We got 3 eggs that are beaten. We've got some artichoke hearts that are chopped up. Got some fresh broccoli. Got some tuna. Some shredded cheddar cheese. And we got some tomatoes. Mike Foster here, how you doing? This is a healthy breakfast, a great way to start. It's a frittata. What am I gonna call it? A tuna and veggie frittata, because it's loaded. We're gonna start off by getting this pan hot, putting this baby together. Check it out. All right, we have our pan. We're gonna put some olive oil in it. Now we're gonna get going. We're gonna heat these up. We got some tuna, artichoke hearts. Let's add the broccoli. All right, that's gonna be nice and big and hearty. Let's season this with some pepper. Just a little salt. This is gonna be the shape of your frittata right here. We're just gonna warm this up. So let's give this a few minutes. Now we're gonna add these tomatoes. All right, mix those in. Alrighty, that looks good enough to eat right there, but now we're gonna add the 3 beaten eggs. All right, let's get that cheese in there. Oh, that looks amazing, doesn't it? All right, let's see how we're coming along. The goal is to get this solidified so we can slide it out. Okay, this is on medium. To assist with this, we're gonna cover it. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. All right, this has been cooking nice covered. Now we're gonna uncover it. Now we're gonna take it, put it like this, flip it like this. Look at that. And then I'm gonna slide it back on just to finish it like that. That'll be ready in a minute. We'll get a big close-up. Now I gotta tell you, that's a good looking frittata. Let's see how it tastes. Big bite coming up. There's that frittata. It broke a little, but let's remind you what's in it. Got a little tuna. Of course, it's eggs and cheese, artichoke, tomato, and is it hot? You tell me, but I'm a man. That's good. Creamy, I taste that tuna for protein. Broccoli, the tomatoes make it bright. Great way to start the day. Get your fiber, your protein, everything you need. Low cal, low carbs, high fiber, protein bomb. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Join the party, baby. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
And you will earn. That's what she said. There's that frittata. That's a sweet bamboo. I would have put the cheese in better, mixed in. My bad, but still good. Perhaps I can end it with a baba. Baba!